Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the area. Safety prevents delays. Once suited in goggles and gloves, use a utility knife to score paint and caulk along the trim seam so you avoid splintering. Then probe for fasteners. Run a flat screwdriver and a small magnet to find hidden screws or nails. Make initial shallow pries with a thin putty knife to create a gap. This relieves tension and helps you see whether the trim is nailed, screwed, or clipped in place. Now you remove the trim without destroying it. Once you have a gap, place a wood block against the frame and lever a wide pry bar to distribute force. This protects the jamb. Make small lifts every 2 to 3 inches and alternate sides so the trim comes away evenly. If the trim stays bonded, switch to an oscillating tool with a wood-cutting blade to slice the adhesive behind the molding. This controlled cutting prevents ripping the substrate and preserves the trim for reinstallation or disposal. You finish by cleaning and preparing the opening. Pull any remaining nails or screws, scrape off leftover caulk, and sand rough edges so the jamb is smooth. Once done, fill holes or gouges with wood filler, allow it to dry, then sand and prime any exposed wood to prevent moisture damage. If a trim piece splits during removal, make sure to test fit a glued clamp repair. If that fails, replace with a matching profile. Remember, clamps for 1 hour and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.